आप थे क्या टैलेंट तंत्र में वॉलंटियर? सब कोई मोबाइल ऑन करके सो गया है क्या, या मैं ही बक रहा हूँ? हेलो, आई हैव आस्क्ड यू वन क्वेश्चन.
सर कोई थे,
हाँ
नहीं सर,
कोई थे सर, कोई थे सर वॉलंटियरिंग में.
कोई स्टूडेंट्स थे वॉलंटियर?
हाँ सर.
तो आप लोग देखे हो क्या, जो सेकेंड डे या थर्ड डे में जब बड़ा प्रोग्राम होता है तो आउटसाइड विलेजर, नियर बाई विलेजर्स बहुत सारा आते हैं इसमें हम लोगों का गेट के आसपास घुसने के लिए, बट दे आर नॉट इनवाइटेड गेस्ट, बट दे ट्राई टू एंटर इनटू आवर थ्रू आवर गेट. आप लोगों ने देखा है ना, बहुत भीड़ जम जाता है बाहर में. आप लोग देखे हो कि नहीं? सेकेंड डे या थर्ड डे नाइट में जब अच्छा प्रोग्राम रहता है तो बाहर में बहुत भीड़ जो जम जाता है, तो नियर बाई विलेजर्स, नियर बाई पीपल, दे डोंट हैव द टिकट्स और दे डोंट हैव द पास, बट दे वांट टू एंटर. आप लोगों में देखा वो?
यस सर.
इस बार भी तो हुआ था ना. हाँ, बहुत सारा क्राउड. नाउ what it happens that these are, if I consider them the valid packets, invalid packets, so those invalid packets we are not allowing them, but what they are doing that, okay, I am not being allowed to go through this network or go through this gate, but what I will do that a large number of people will gather in front of the gate in such a manner that those who are the valid pass holder, they will also not be allowed to enter. ऐसा हुआ ना इस बार? वो लोग आके इतना भीड़ कर दिया कि जो तुम्हारा वैलिड पास होल्डर था वो लोग भी घुस नहीं पाया. ऐसा हुआ है ना? आप लोग ये समझ गया व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से?
यस सर.
सो दिस इज बेसिकली डिनायल ऑफ सर्विस. हम लोगों का नेटवर्क में भी ऐसा होता है. इफ योर नेटवर्क इज नॉट equipped with a good firewall, then what will happen that a huge amount of packet will be generated from unknown source, and they will continuously send those packets to your network and completely jammed your network. जब तक तुम अपना सिस्टम को रिफ्रेश नहीं करोगे, जब तक अपना नेटवर्क को रिफ्रेश नहीं करोगे, जब तक अपना स्विच को रिफ्रेश नहीं करोगे, all your network will get down. And we have faced this kind of denial of service attack several times in our network. उसका काम कुछ नहीं है. It will generate a spurious type of unknown type of packets which does not have any relevance. Huge amount and it is continuously hit your network. So this is one of the job of the malicious network, malicious node. You got my point? So this is one of the intentional behavior, because the misbehavior, they are doing it intentionally to jam your network, to disrupt your network, to fail your network. Okay? Is it okay, students? Now it's okay? All the WSN behavior? Is there any other question regarding this? Is there any other question or shall I proceed? आप लोग शायद शाम में क्लास करना पसंद नहीं करते हो, but truly said that for few days I am so busy in the morning that I had to shift the class at the afternoon. But believe me, it is a temporary arrangement, but later on it will become okay. In the next week also, the induction program will be going on. So that time also I'll be busy. So I have to shift all my class at the evening only. So you have to bear with me. अगर आप 5 बजे की जगह 6 बजे करना चाहते हो, that is not a problem. और 4 बजे करना चाहते हो, that is also I am okay with that. But I have to take the classes at the afternoon. मैं समझ गया कि 5 बजे आप लोगों को शायद उतना एनर्जी नहीं मिल रहा है, पर ये एक टेम्पररी नेक्स्ट वीक के लिए है। तो आप लोग अगर बोलो कि इंस्टेड ऑफ 5 o'clock 4 o'clock is enough, what time will be suitable for you? But I need your complete rapt attention. सिर्फ अटेंडेंस के लिए क्लास मत करो, आप लोग अभी बहुत सीरियस सीनियर बन गया। You tell me what time will be suitable for you? 5 बजे करें टेम्पररीली, एक हफ्ते के लिए। हेलो स्टूडेंट।
4 o'clock.
हाँ हेलो
4 o'clock would be better, sir.
हाँ हाँ
4 o'clock would be better.
फिर से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है तुम्हारा बात। You can message it. You can send it in the chat box also. 4 बजे?
हाँ 4 o'clock would be better, I guess.
ओके ठीक है, 4 बजे कर देंगे। ठीक है 4 बजे ही कर देंगे। ओके तो नेक्स्ट वीक क्या क्लासेस 2 क्लासेस ही होगा शायद, वो 2 क्लासेस मैं 4 बजे कर दूंगा। ओके बट यू प्लीज गिव योर अटेंशन। Okay, so next is the some applications of wireless sensor network. So IoT is one of the different IoT applications that already I have discussed, but few of the applications are there which are also a part of the wireless sensor network that are being used in the mining applications or in the healthcare applications. So before telling this, another thing is also I need to say that there are different types of misbehavior is there in the wireless sensor node. There some of the misbehavior of the sensor node may be unintentional and some of the misbehavior is maybe intentional. Now for the unintentional misbehavior, the problem is that that might be due to the adverse environmental condition. If the environment gets disrupted, that case we cannot do anything, or if your battery gets drained down also we cannot do anything. But how to prevent the intentional misbehavior? Intentional misbehavior means if the wireless sensor nodes are intentionally misbehaving. Like here you can see that some malicious nodes is attacking your network, choking your network, or some cases even that the nodes is not cooperating. So in that case, what to do? Now, first of all, we need to think that why in my network the malicious nodes can easily penetrate. Malicious node इतना आसानी से मेरा नेटवर्क में क्यों घुस जाता है? First of all, what are the bandwidth we are using for sending our data through the nodes? If this is my sensor node and if this is my tower, and from that I am sending the data through network bandwidth, right? So that network bandwidth is the ISM band. You can remember that we are sending the network bandwidth through ISM band only. And that ISM band is the licensed band or unlicensed band? This is my WSN. Whenever I am sending the data, I am sending it through a channel, network channel, right? So this network channel has been selected from my bandwidth or the wavelength, and what wavelength we are basically using. That is an ISM band. ISM band is a licensed band or unlicensed band that I already discussed earlier.
Unlicensed.
Unlicensed band. So what is the disadvantage of unlicensed band? Anybody can enter into your network? Yes or no? If this WSN is sending your data, similarly, if I am a node, I am in user one, so I can also enter into this network because it's an unlicensed. Nobody have to purchase this bandwidth. So anybody, if they want, anybody and everybody, if they want, they can enter into this network only. User one, user two, and what they are doing that this is your valid packet. So this one is your valid packet of wireless sensor node, and with that I am also sending the invalid packets also. So for that the network breaching, the security breach is going on, and these are the malicious packets. These packets are the malicious packets. So how in wireless sensor network, the main issue is that the entrance of the malicious packet in the network which is unlicensed in nature. Okay, so this is the reason because we are using ISM band. But there is an advantage is also there. What is the advantage? Advantage is that, try to understand this one. Advantage is that for sending the packet, I don't require the entire channel. इतना बड़ा channel मुझे नहीं चाहिए. If I get a small channel out of it, with that small channel, I can send my packet. Got my point? Okay. So rest of the part of this channel remain underutilized. These are not being utilized. Now, what they do that, as I don't require the entire channel, I require a portion of it to send my packets. Rest of the underutilized portion of the bandwidth, what I can do that, I can use it for the security purpose. Means that I will stretch my packets to be sent through the entire network by using one technology. That technology is called spread spectrum technology. Spread spectrum technology. Now, if I use that spectrum technology, that case I can remove the attack of the malicious node. Not clear, I suppose. So please write it down. Using spread spectrum technology, I can protect the network from malicious node attack. Now let us see how by using spread spectrum technology I can protect my network from malicious node attack. Okay, it's a very interesting. So there are two kinds of spread spectrum technology. One is called frequency hopping spread spectrum, another is called direct sequence spread spectrum. Spread spectrum main concept is that if I am sending my data through this channel, I will spread my entire data up to this much if I have available bandwidth in my channel, and the rest of the portion of the channel is not being used. That case I can spread the entire data up to your spread spectrum technology. Okay, now one concept is called direct sequence spread spectrum. In that case, what happens that, suppose, consider this one. Here, can you see the next slide? Yeah, you can see the next slide. Suppose if my channel is low, where I can send the data only in that manner. Suppose I'm sending, suppose I'm drawing over here. This is my channel. Okay, in that channel I am sending the data 0, 1, 0, 1, then 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Means here I am considering that plus 5 volt as 0, minus 5 volt as 1, then this one is again plus 5 volt, 0, 0, then this one is 1, this one is 0, this one is 1, 1, like this. For better understanding, I am drawing it like this. Now, is this clear? So the upper voltage is considered as 0, the lower voltage is considered as 1, like this. Okay. Now, if I have the spread spectrum, then what I can do that suppose if, here you can see that for 0, suppose it has that I have to stretch it up to this much. I have to stretch it up to this much. That case, if I have a more channel, that case through that particular signal area, I can send much more data. Means that here I am representing this 0, then 1, then 0, 0, then 0, 0, then 1, then 0, 1, 1. Means this one is my 0, this one is my 1, this one is my 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Means my lower voltage has been considered as 0, my upper voltage is considered as 1, and the lower voltage is considered as 0. Okay, fine. Now, here what I will do that for the spread spectrum, hello, I'm in a class, I'm calling you later, okay? सॉरी ये तो पूरा डिलीट हो गया यहाँ से सॉरी कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन
No, sir.
जस्ट अ मिनट Now can you see my screen?
No, sir.
It will come. Just wait. Now it is coming. Is it coming?
No, sir.
No, sir.
क्या हो गया अभी मेरा सिस्टम भी तुम्हारा साथ देने लगा इट इज नॉट हेल्पिंग मी आउट तुम लोग जैसे मुझे हेल्प नहीं कर रहे हो आंसर देके पूरा ब्लैंक हो गया हाँ अभी आया ना अभी आया ना
हाँ sir.
Now can you see?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, suppose. Okay. Now suppose consider this one is your channel. Okay. and in that channel you are sending the data, suppose 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, how will you send the data? That 0 I am representing as plus 5 voltage, then 1 will be minus 5 voltage, then this 0 0 will be again plus 5, and then 1 will be minus 5, right? So I am sending this simple data 0 1 0 0 1, okay, through this channel. Now how will I send? I will send just like this. Yes or no? This one is my 0, this one is my 0, this one is 1 0 0 1. Up to this much is it okay? देखो एक बार, अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो बोलना. Is this okay?
सर फिर से बोलिए तो.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि I want to send this data 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, now I am sending, I am considering minus 5 voltage as 1, sorry 0, and plus 5, sorry, minus 5 voltage as 1 and plus 5 voltage as 0. Now as it is representing 0, so it should be plus 5 voltage. Next one is my 1, so it should be minus 5 voltage. Next one is 0, then it should be plus 5 voltage. Next one is 1, it should be minus 5 voltage. My signal should be like this. Up to this much is okay?
हाँ सर.
Now I am sending the entire data through this small channel. Small channel से यही सिग्नल जाएगा ना, जो सिग्नल मैंने यहाँ पे दिखा रहा हूँ आप लोगों को ऊपर में. हाँ, up to this much is okay?
हाँ सर.
अभी तुमको क्या दिया गया? तुम्हारा चैनल तो इतना बड़ा है. Your channel is not, bandwidth is not that much. Your channel is bigger than that. Now what I will do that, ये जो सिग्नल है, इस सिग्नल को हम स्ट्रेच करके इतना तक लेके आएंगे. I will stretch my signal up to this much for security purpose. What I will do that I will represent, suppose here यहाँ पे क्या represent किया, 0 को represent किया 0 1 1 0. Okay, fine. So what I will do that, this is my 0, right? Plus 5 voltage is my 0. Now I will stretch it to 0 1 1 0. Means that this 0 will be represented by 0 1 1 0. Means it should be represented by 0, then 1 1, then 0. I am representing, just I am representing a new scheme that this 0 should be represented by this 0 1 1 0. Now how the 1 should be represented?
minus
अगर
5.
0 को हम लोग 0 1 1 0 से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो 1 should be represented as 1 0 0 1, just opposite. Yes or no? Up to this much is okay, or shall I repeat? अगर 0 को हम ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे 0 1 1 0, then 1 should be represented by just opposite, that is 1 0 0 1. Huh? Then its representation should be like this, right? 1 0 0 1. Yes or no? Can I represent like this?
Yes sir.
So if I am representing 0 as 0 1 1 0, means that I am stretching my entire signal to 4 times. Here also I am representing 1 as 1 0 0 1. I am stretching it to entire 4 times. Then how my entire signal should look like? My entire signal, just a minute. My entire signal should look like this one. This 0 should be represented as 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0. Now next is my 1. 1 should be represented as what? 1 0 0 1, and then I have 0. Then 0 should be represented as 1 0 1, sorry, 0 1 1 0. 1 should be represented as 1 0 0 1, and then again 0. Na? Just a minute. 1 0 0. Next again is 0. That 0 should be represented as 0 1 1 0. Then again 0 1 1 0. Then 1 should be represented as 1 0 0 1. Means that this one is represented as 0. This one is represented as 1. This one is represented as 0. This one is represented as 0, and this one is represented as 1. अगर नया जो स्कीम लाया उसी से आपका ये 0 1 0 0 1 should be represented as like this. Yes or no? आपको ये समझ में आया?
सर
shall I
हम लोग
explain it?
और भी
हाँ
ले सकता है ना, मतलब
हाँ
जरूरी नहीं है कि हम लोग 0110 ही ले।
नहीं, आप जो भी चाहे लो, आप जो लोगे दैट इज योर सिक्योरिटी। हम लोग ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट टू स्ट्रेच इट अप टू 4 times I need better larger bandwidth, and I have the larger bandwidth available with me. Now what is the benefit? Benefit is that if somebody malicious node penetrates my account, it will penetrate of what? It will get you 01101001 इतना लंबा एक बिट्स मिलेगा. From that it will not be able to identify that your actual data is 01001. वो पूरा कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा आपका एक्चुअल डेटा क्या था, because it doesn't know that you are stretching it by a different representation. जब तक आपको वो की नहीं मिलेगा, आप जो आपको मुझे पूछ रहे हैं ना कि 0110 क्यों लेंगे, उसके जगह दूसरा भी ले सकते हैं. That's up to you. Only the user will know that what type of secret code you have used to stretch your bits. है कि नहीं? ये मुझे बताओ.
सर अगर किसी को पता चल गया तो
तब पूरा तो तुम्हारा नेटवर्क कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो जाएगा. पर तुम अपना नेटवर्क में जो डेटा डाल रहे हो वो तो सिक्योर वे में डाल रहे हो ना अभी.
हाँ
Okay, so this is called direct sequence spread spectrum. Direct sequence spread spectrum that we use to protect our network from the malicious node. अब ये फिगर देखो, इस फिगर में देखो.
सर ये हैशिंग टेक्निक की तरह काम करता है क्या?
नहीं, हैशिंग में क्या होता है, तुम्हारा एक रिमाइंडर आता है, हम लोग डिवाइड करते हैं, रिमाइंडर आता है. इसमें हम लोग दूसरा रिप्रेजेंटेशन टेक्निक यूज करते हैं. जस्ट यहाँ पे देखो, this 0 they have represented it as 0110. Okay, now 0 is represented as 0110. Now 1 is representing as 1001. Next one is 00, they are representing as 0110. Then again 0110 in that way, and they have stretched the entire data to up to this much. Now if the malicious node attacked, they will find out that the stream of bits is that 0110 is a lamba stream of bits, but actual bit is this one. They will not be able to identify that what actual bit you are sending. अगर वो आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाया तो वो तुम्हारा नेटवर्क का पेनिट्रेट करके तुम्हारा डेटा को भी हैक नहीं कर पाएगा. Is this clear to you, student?
Yes, sir.
ये अच्छा टेक्निक है कि नहीं? Even you can also use this technology for your project. आज कौशिक है कि नहीं मुझे पता नहीं है, but कौशिक can definitely use this for the secure text messaging जो IBM का प्रोजेक्ट उसको मिला है. Okay. So if you have any question, you can ask me. If you don't have any question, in that case I am going to end up this session over here.